was breathless, my heart restless. Every turn felt like it was wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong. Pushing to my own song, but you came, you made me see.
Mindful DJ here, and today it's a lovely day. I've got a week off, and I like to do interesting things in my time off. So I'm here today meeting a friend in Crowhurst, village of Crowhurst in Surrey, and we're going to check out the Crowhurst yew, which is it's an ancient tree. It's about 4,000 years old, older than Jesus, and yeah, my wife thinks I'm a little bit weird. She thinks I'm some sort of tree hugger. I don't know why she thinks that, but yeah, I'm very intrigued because I learn that it's been through some stuff. It's got a door in it. It used to house a homeless family in the 1800s, I think, and was even a meeting room for the parish council, because it's hollowed out and they've had chairs in there, tables in there. There was even a cannonball that was embedded in it from one of the civil wars. So yeah, let's do it.
See, that's a bit like an elephant.
Elephant?
With the eye.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a...
Oh, of course, yeah. I imagine you can see like all sorts of. Apparently, there's a kind of image like
I see faces,
of an old
I see
faces.
faces everywhere anyway. Like I see faces and stuff.
Yeah, that looks like a. I don't know, almost like an aardvark as well.
Yeah, yeah. With the long nose. Yeah, it does. Aardvark. Sure.
4,000 years, yeah. I was just saying it.
They've made a door.
Yeah, and so another thing I was saying just at the beginning of the video was that it's seen a lot of activity. That apparently they used to hold parish council meetings in there.
Really?
They had tables and chairs in there.
Oh my god.
And a homeless family once lived in it.
Really? Oh my god. Look at these markings. Look how interesting they are. It's almost like water.
Yeah,
It's something really special, isn't it?
absolutely.
Yeah, this tree has a soul, as all trees do.
Mm.
And yeah, yew trees tend to be associated with graveyards.
Mm.
They've got some sort of protective, healing properties. Sort of watch over the souls that have left the body.
Certainly feel a sense of like
There's a big presence.
there's a calm, and I just feel to like touch trees, and there's something really, really soothing about, connecting with something that's got such a presence and
Rooted so deeply to
yeah.
the earth.
I mean, probably the roots go real deep underneath, probably as much as it goes upwards into the sky, right?
Yeah. Well, the network of roots can go like miles.
Yeah.
Because they talk to one another as well.
Apparently
under
so,
the ground,
yeah.
Like they're connected up, and they share like
nutrients,
the
yeah.
mycorrhizal fungi, which is really like vital for trees, for plant growth. Whole network under the ground that we can't really see.
Mm.
But then I suppose like human beings we have the physical body, but there's probably also, they have an energy body as well, so there's a lot of transference, communication between trees on some other level. But yeah, it's massive. Oh look, there's some really cute birds up there as well. I think I saw a tree creeper. It's gone up. You can't really see him now. Looks like there's a platform up the top as well. But there's been some professional climbers have been right up the top.
Oh, I was just thinking that.
Because it looks really some nice places to put your feet.
For sure.
Yeah, and there's loads of room inside. Have you filmed inside yet? There's quite a bit of space in there. Someone's left a toy.
Yeah.
A polar bear.
Polar bear.
With eyes on the top of its head.
It's very odd.
2 pairs of eyes. Just love the different textures as well. Like how smooth it is in certain places, and then how craggy as well. Get some really amazing ideas as a carpenter, can you?
Yeah. Not quite sure how you'd have a parish council meeting in here.
Maybe
unless it was just 3 or 4 people.
Maybe they're dwarves.
Dwarves.
Very small people.
Yeah. Well, back in the day we were smaller apparently, weren't we?
Yeah. That's my excuse.
Yeah.
It could have been gnomes. The gnomes and fairies exist.
It's almost like, it just goes off into these swirls and like little portals into...
Yeah, the portal thing. They look like chakras as well, like the circular portal things. Amazing.
I wonder how long it will, how much longer it will be around for. Trees have lifespans, presumably.
Yeah, I mean, if this is several thousand years old, I mean, unless something catches some really horrible disease or it's knocked down or something, or blown down. You can see where it's been propped up.
Mm.
So it's obviously been very close several times to kind of completely falling apart.
Mm.
But being now preserved and important, it's got that protection. So who knows, it could just go on and on and on and on.
Well, yeah, I don't see why not.
It's kind of when they fall down, like when they fall down and disconnect from the root, like they get broken off from the root.
Yeah.
I think they can just rot. And then there's still a habitat, but I guess that's when maybe like us, the soul leaves and then finds another.
Yeah.
If indeed they do have souls, I've been told or I've heard. Who knows? It's like it's made up of separate limbs or channels,
Yeah.
and then it's kind of cracked open or something.
And there's a chain round here. You seen the chain?
Oh yeah. That's obviously keeping it. There's a few things keeping it all together.
Yeah.
It's just all the different textures that blows me away. You know, you've got these swirly, smooth bits, and then you've got these bits and just different colours. You've got like black, almost blacky, dark browns, and then you've got these sort of beige.
The amazing thing is it all comes from a seed.
Yeah,
seed.
I know.
And it's like, you know, this whole notion of like something coming from virtually nothing.
Yeah.
All of this.
And that's what always comes back to source, doesn't it?
Mm.
Everything from a potentiality, like the Akashic Records, you know, which has all the every thought ever thought of every being, just like the universal hard drive. However much information of that is portioned off into a seed and can grow from there. Yeah, it's really blowing me away actually, this tree. Something special.
What do you think of the tree?
It's old.
It certainly is old. How do you feel around the tree?
The birdie likes the tree.
Rather than what you think, how do you feel around the tree?
Don't start on me.
Tell me what your feelings are. Oh, you're not going to make a very good YouTuber, are you?
No, it's definitely not my thing.
Well, I feel very peaceful around the tree. I feel at peace. Feels like my friend, my brother, my sister,
So weird.
my mother.
Oh dear.
It's like a big chasm, the womb of life.
Just stop it. You're so cheesy.
Just say something profound, Laura.
I haven't got anything.
Jeez. It's the mindful DJ, not flipping.
Yeah, well that doesn't have to go on there, does it? That's, oh, not pictures, goodness sake. A meeting in the tree. You couldn't fit many people in here, could you?
Yeah. Well, it's not a very big place, Crowhurst. Parish council meeting. We're in such a quiet place. I imagine it consists of about 3 or 4 people. You could fit 3 or 4 people in there easy. I could have a meditation meeting in here. That'd be lovely. Maybe I should.
Yeah.
So YouTubers, tell me what you would do in this tree. Clean comments only. I'd love to have a nice meditate with a few people and chill out in there. Just let me know in the comment section what you would like to do. As I say, keep it clean, otherwise I'll get shut down. And I don't have any followers as it is, so if you like this kind of stuff, being out in nature and grounding in nature and appreciating the beauty of the natural world, then do get in touch with us. There's a lot of my videos on YouTube are filmed in beautiful places like North Wales, the Kent countryside. It'd be lovely to hear from you. Comment and let us know what your thoughts are on this video, and what your thoughts are around, you know, trees and whether they have a soul or not. But yeah, if I've got an Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, you know, like, subscribe and share and all that jazz, and then, you know, you can be connected in those ways, as well as the Zoom meetings we have every week. Please do get in touch and message me about that, that we hold every Saturday, where we get to share some quality time in meditation, and sharing together around what's bugging us, or insights that we might have had, and learn from each other. So yeah, do get in touch.